Ever wondered how you can improve your digestive health naturally and effectively? If constipation, bloating, or irregular bowel movements are giving you discomfort, then a homemade purgative could be the answer you need. Today, we'll be demonstrating a simple, natural remedy using easily available ingredients that not only promises to alleviate these issues, but also provides a host of additional health benefits. So, what will you need for this remedy? Gather 1 cup of hot water, half a tablespoon each of salt and sugar, the juice of 1 lemon, and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Start by pouring a cup of hot water into a container. The heat will aid in dissolving the other ingredients. Next, stir in half a tablespoon of salt and the same amount of sugar. These not only enhance the taste, but also provide a balanced electrolyte composition. Now add a citrus twist, squeeze in the juice of a lemon. Known for their cleansing properties, lemons add a refreshing zing to the mixture. Now for the star ingredient, flaxseed. Add 2 tablespoons of these tiny powerhouses into the mixture. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their positive effects on memory, circulation, heart health, and anti-aging properties. Next, let the mixture rest for at least 3 hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows the flax seeds to absorb the liquid, swell, and release all their beneficial properties. Consume this homemade purgative 2 or 3 times a day, depending on your digestive needs. Whether you're seeking immediate relief or a preventive measure, this natural remedy can be adapted to fit into your schedule. If you found this remedy helpful and are interested in more health tips and home remedies, do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Remember, maintaining a healthy digestion is key to a balanced and energetic lifestyle. This homemade flaxseed purgative offers relief from digestive discomfort and also a myriad of health benefits. Incorporate it into your routine, and you may find yourself feeling lighter, more energetic, and overall healthier. After all, the best remedies are often found in nature, and this simple concoction is a testament to that.